Hey, Mike Brailsford here, Brailsford Woodworks. I'm going to turn a little platter today. It's out of oak. I think it's oak, maybe ash. I'm not 100% sure. It was some scrap I had a long time ago when I had rough turned it back November 4th, 2015. And we're still working through all my old stock that I've rough turned. Want to get it finished. So this one will be just a little plate of some kind. I'm gonna round it out. It needs to be, bottom needs to be made flat. The tenon needs to be, the mortise needs to be made round again, and finish this off so that I can put it back into the regular jaws. So let's get going. Right, the outside rim is done. The mortise is now round again. The bottom is flat. Let's put it onto the regular jaws. So given how warped it was, here's the outside rim here. Only got about 1/4 of an inch to play with. I'm going to try out a brand new bowl scraper I got. It's Pinnacle Tools cryogenically treated blade. It's an inside bowl scraper. I'm going to try this out for the first time. See how it goes. Alright, I'm going to do a first sanding, then I'm probably going to put a ring on the inside and then some texture on the outside rim. Alright, so that was a 400. And I'm going to try something a little different today. On the stippling on this outside edge, I got some dark colored wax I want to try to use in here, and then do the whole thing with the clear colored wax before I flip it over and finish the bottom. Alright, let's see if I can have a light enough touch to do this. of my favorite pieces, that's for sure. Let's turn it over and finish the bottom. Alright, this one's done. It's a little dish. It's got a little bit of coloration in the wood, and I'm pretty sure it's oak. I added some stippling on the edge with my texturing tool, then tried filling it in with a different colored wax. And I don't think it worked out the way I kind of wanted, but it's not a horrible piece. At any rate, thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.